What is going on, YouTube? Today we are going to be shooting my brand new Beretta APX 1 full-size pistol. I bought this pistol 5 days ago from Shields for $576, and it comes with an extra clip, a quick reloader, pipe barrel cleaner, red dot, and 2 extra interchangeable grips for your preference. The ammunition I'm going to be using is the Blazer 9mm 115 grain. That's for shooting, and then in my second clip, I have FMJ hollow points, 147 grain. That's for personal protection. Let's light her up.